This video will guide you through the process of disconnecting a social media account from Sprout Social. Disconnecting means revoking Sprout Social's access to post, monitor, and analyze data on your behalf. It's important for managing your data and streamlining your social media presence. Remember, disconnecting from Sprout Social does not delete your social media account itself. There are several reasons to disconnect a social media profile from Sprout Social. Data privacy concerns are a major reason, as disconnecting helps protect your personal information. Rebranding or strategic shifts in business direction may require disconnecting old profiles. Underperforming accounts that aren't delivering results can be disconnected to focus resources elsewhere. Reducing your digital footprint and streamlining social media efforts by focusing on high ROI platforms is another key reason. In 2025, Sprout Social reported 4.2 million disconnections, up 18% from 2024, showing this is a growing trend. First, log into your Sprout Social dashboard using your web browser or the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Profiles or Settings tab. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of Sprout Social you are using, but it will generally be located in the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. After clicking Disconnect, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. For security reasons, you may be required to re-enter your password. Review the information carefully and then click Confirm or Disconnect to finalize the process. Some platforms may offer a privacy-first disconnect feature for enhanced data clearing. When you disconnect a social media account from Sprout Social, it revokes the access that allows them to post and monitor on your behalf. However, this doesn't automatically remove all historical data from their servers. Sprout Social retains aggregated analytics data for a limited period, typically up to 30 days, unless you manually request deletion. This helps maintain historical performance insights. Any posts that were published through Sprout Social will remain on the social media platform itself. The disconnection only stops future interactions, not existing content. For complete data control, it's important to review both Sprout Social's privacy policy and the specific social platform's policies, such as Facebook's app permissions, to ensure full revocation. This comprehensive approach ensures you understand exactly what happens to your data when disconnecting. While most disconnections from Sprout Social proceed smoothly, you may occasionally encounter API rate limits, especially when disconnecting multiple accounts simultaneously. These limits are designed to prevent system overload and ensure fair access for all users. Before disconnecting any account, make sure to export all necessary data. This includes analytics, post history, and performance metrics that you've collected through Sprout Social. Exporting ensures you retain access to valuable insights about your social media strategy. An important consideration is that disconnecting from Sprout Social is completely reversible. If you later decide to reconnect an account, you can simply go through the authorization process again. Your social media profiles remain intact on the platforms themselves. If you run into any difficulties during the disconnection process, don't worry. Sprout Social provides comprehensive help resources through their Help Center, where you can find step-by-step guides and troubleshooting tips. For personalized assistance, you can also reach out to their support team. By keeping these troubleshooting tips and important considerations in mind, you can ensure a smooth and successful disconnection experience from Sprout Social. Remember to export your data, be aware of rate limits, and know that help is always available when needed.